All right, we are in the dome. Fredericksburg,
Yep.
Texas. Syncing the Neo for the first time. It's connecting. Press and hold the power button on the flight battery for 3 seconds to confirm connection. Okay, choosing a suitable flight environment. Fly in open areas, avoid water, avoid drop-offs, observe local laws. Got it.
Space and press and hold the mode button to take off.
Okay, first flight. Here we go. Pick it up. Hit the button, mode button one time.
Droney.
Oh boy, here we go. It's taking off. I think.
4 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Protect yourself, Desiree. Okay.
Fly in well lit. Texture. Circle. Rocket.
Rocket.
Spotlight. Direction turn. Follow.
Okay, we're good.
I didn't want you to get my hair.
I know, babe. You did great. I don't know what I was doing.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be follow mode.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2,
Oh, who?
1.
I don't know. To follow me. Okay, we good? Where you going, dude? Wow. Is it recording? Just guard yourself. Oh, okay, I can see myself now. Wow, this is intense. Babe, look at. Okay, this is it. Following me. A little noisy. Okay, it's recording. Unable to hover precisely because it's a little low level, so I don't know if it comes forward or not. Does it come towards me? It's supposed to follow me. Yeah, come on, buddy. I know. This way. Here we go. Follow me. This way. Right here. Come here. Watch the side. This way, little buddy. Come on. There we go. Come on. I'm gonna go around the corner. Don't get scared, okay? Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Fly in well lit. Textured environments.
What the heck? It's very light. It didn't do any damage. It's very scary. Okay, it was like it went towards the knives. It lost me and it freaked out. Making memories. One flight at a time. Welcome back. This is day 2 of the flight test, and way better with great daylight, and I'm seeing my bald spot, thin spot for the first time, so I'm thankful for DJI for making that possible. Thought I had one. This confirms it. There's my wife, Desiree. God bless her for letting me mess up our first night in a dome, but she's a trooper. And she knows I love drones, and she loves me. So, walking around, getting the feel for it. Trying to cover up the bald spot. When you're 6'4", a lot of people can't see it. So this did really good coming through the trees here. I had to think, I have a pretty long stride, and so I had to slow down in my walking. This is the beautiful Athena Dome. We're staying at in Fredericksburg, Texas. Really cool for a client. Did some work. And yeah, super smooth, seamless. This is so fun because this is one of the first times that I get to be kind of on camera and I don't have to worry about droning. I'm always like the dad that's filming everybody else. This was circle mode. Tried to find a real epic, stoic view. most of my videos I'm squinting. I always look mad. I'm not mad. I'm a pretty happy person. Looking off longingly into the distance. The circle went around one time and ended. I thought I was going to keep circling. It was great. This, I got a little close and had to kind of duck under it. A little confused, but it did pretty well. It starts following me. Went too fast here, and it got really confused with these little wire mesh parts. And you'll see it'll go right into the corner, tracks my face, and then crashes. One more final test, getting it checked. One note is that I cannot follow a vehicle. Tried it when I scanned it for follow. It wasn't a face, didn't recognize it, and tried to get closer. It stayed there. I thought it would back up, it did not. So fun stuff. Really love the device. It's going to be a game changer when we do hiking and another layer of storytelling. Thanks again for watching, subscribing, and liking. Godspeed.